Introducing the one and only Iron Mike
Sharp.
This tall order was down for more slaughter. You fucks couldn't keep but a buck with 4 quarters. I ain't playing with these liars. If they don't want the smoke, then why they playing with the fire? They all bitchin' when the blood's drippin'. Toss them in the trunk and knock sound like some subs kicking. I and Mike made the beat, now it's my job to kill. Break their jaws, write my rhymes on they Dr. Bills. Gots to chill, but Dr. Phil couldn't fix my dome. Before I stand with the sane, I'd rather sit alone. If I say it, then you know it's a fact. No need for bluffing, I play poker for that. All these new MCs, yo, most of them whack. And they frontin', probably kick a fucking bone at their back. It's like that, I can't say it no plainer. Is Doe a beast? That's a fucking no-brainer. Lots of anger, so I'm known to flip. Choked them so hard, left my shoulders stiff. Got your bitch wet like she's smoking dips. And then I fucked her so hard that it broke her hips. You know I'm crazy in my people's gonzo. With my New York kid, I call him Pete Alonzo. If you rock with me, you holding it like smoking trees. Bow down to the king or catching broken knees. It's Big Doe, a.k.a. DOE PESCI, Don DiMaggio, Donello Alvarez, don't name it, etc., etc. I am my sharp on the track, making beats to murder to maim to, or at the very least punch him his fucking jaw loose to.
Well, I'm the best.
You're the best?
That's right.
Okay.
I'm serious.
I know.
I'll work circles around you. I'll wrap your fucking head in with a ratchet.
Huh?
And you don't have anybody down there that works like me.
Oh, yeah?
That's right.
Okay.
Okay?
All
So
right.
I'll see you tomorrow with my tools, fuckface.